for Standard 6 NEP Term 1 for Goa Board. Choose correct alternatives. First question is, a figure formed by two rays with a common endpoint is called dash. It is called an angle. Two rays and this is the angle. These are called rays pointing one side. Question number 2. Which of these is a prime number? A 9, B 21, C 17 and D 49. Prime numbers means which have exactly the two factors, the number itself and 1. So the correct option is option C 17. Question number 3. The horizontal axis in a bar graph is known as dash. X-axis, Y-axis, baseline and data line. And the correct option is X-axis. Which of these shows a repeating pattern? Here 2, 4, 6, 9. Here square, circle, square, circle, square, circle. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 5, 10, 20. So repeating pattern is option B. Question number 5. The angle in a straight line is dash. A 180 degree, 90 degree, 360 degree and 45 degree. Straight line means it is 180 degree. Question number 6. The smallest odd prime number is dash. Options are 1, 2, 3 and 5. Odd number and prime number, that is smallest prime and odd number is option C 3. Question number 7. Find the next term. 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12, 12 to the 24. Here you have to see how the pattern is. Given pattern is, so 3 to the 6, 6 to the 12. Here the numbers are doubles. So 24 to the 48. So the correct option is 48. Question number 8. If one angle of a triangle is 90 degree and another is 30 degree, then the third angle is dash. The sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So 90 plus 30 is 120. So 180 minus 120 will be 60 degree. So the correct option is option C 60. Question number 9. Which number is divided by both 2 and 3? Here the numbers are given and which are divided by 2. 25, 55 and 77. Here the units place number are odd number. So they are not divisible by 2. So and here 42. 42 is divisible by both 2 and 3. Therefore the correct option is option B 42. Question number 10. The mode of the data 2572928 is dash. To find out the mode, we have to first write all these numbers in ascending order. That is 2, 2, 2, then it comes 5, one time only, then 7, then 8 and 9. 8 and 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5, 6, 7. 7 numbers are there. Mode means the number which is repeated many times. That means the mode of this data is 2. Correct option is option A 2. A number is a prime if it has only one factor, exactly two factors, three factors and many factors. And the correct option is exactly two factors. The number itself and the 1 is factor of every number. Question number 12. The measure of an acute angle is dash. Options are A more than 90, B less than 90, C exactly 180, D more than 180. And the correct option is less than 90 degree. Find the sum of the first 5 odd numbers. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are the odd numbers, first 5 odd numbers. So 7 plus 9 is 16, 16 plus 5 21, 21 plus 3 24, plus 1 is 25. So the correct option is option C 25. Which of these is a composite number? 19 is prime number, 23 is prime number, 31 is also a prime number. and 27 is a composite number. Question number 15. A bar graph shows number of students liking different fruits. If 12 students like apple and 8 like mangoes, how many more likes apples? So 12 and 8. You have to find out the difference between the two. 12 minus 8 is 4. So the correct option is option B, 4. 16. Which of these patterns shows doubling? Doubles. Here 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So the correct option is option B. Question number 17. Which number between 30 and 40 is a prime number? Correct option is option A, 31. All these are composite numbers. Question number 18. In a survey, 20 students like cricket, 15 like football and 10 like both. How many students like at least one of the two games? A, 35, B, 25, C, 45, D, 40. Here the correct option is 25. Okay, 20 plus 15 is 35. 35 minus 10 is 25. If a clock shows 3, the angle between hour and minute hand is dash. Options are 90 degree, 60 degree, C, 120 degree and D, 45 degree. And the correct option is 90 degree because it forms a right angle. Question number 20. A figure is repeated to make a border design. Identify the type of pattern. You must have seen the borders. Borders are like, means they have the same designs repeated. Here the options given are growing pattern, rotational symmetry, random and repeating pattern. And the correct option is option D. It is a repeating pattern. Attempt the following. Question number 21. Write first 6 multiples of 9. Here you have to write only the first 6 multiples of 9. 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18, 9 3 is 27, 9 4 is 36, 9 5 is 45, 9 6 is 54. Question number 22. Draw an acute angle and obtuse angle of any measure and label them. Here you have to draw obtuse and acute angles. Here we have drawn the angle 60 degree and 115 degree. This is a acute angle. This is obtuse angle. Then question number 23. A shopkeeper sells pens in packets of 6 and pencils in packets of 8. What is the minimum number of items he should buy so that packets of both have the same count? Here we need to find out multiples of 6 and multiples of 8. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, 6 5 is 36, 6 is 36. And multiples of 8 are 8 1 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24, 8 4 is 32, 8 5 is 40. And the highest common multiple is 24. Here the common LCM is 24. Therefore minimum number of items to buy is 24 items. Question number 24. The pattern. Extend the pattern. Write the next two terms and explain the rule. 1 triangle, 2 circles. 3 triangle, 4 circles. So here next will be 5 triangles and 6 circles. And the rule is the number of symbol increases by 1 each time. And the shape alternates between triangle and the circle. Question number 25. Name and explain type of angles. A, 87 degree. 87 degree is an acute angle since it is less than 90 degree. Its measure is less than 90 degree. 135 degree is an obtuse angle because its measure is between 90 degree and 180 degree. Question number 26. Write all factors of 36. Factors of 36 are 1 into 36, 2 into 18, 3 into 12, 4 into 9, 6 into 6, 9 into 4. So here we have got the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9 and 12, 9, 12, 18 and 36. From question number 27, there will be 3 marks for each question. Question number 27. The marks of the student in mathematics are 5, 8, 7, 6, 10, 5, 9. Draw a bar graph for this data. Here we have to draw a bar graph. I will draw the graph. On y-axis number of students and x-axis marks obtained. And take the scale 1 or 2 units or 5 units as per the given data. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. At a same distance. So we will draw now the bar graph. First one student got 5 marks, second got 8, third 7, fourth is 6. From here you have to draw. Then when is 10, next is 10, and next is one more student got 5, and the last one got 9 marks. Now I have drawn a bar graph. Now write a marks obtained. First student got 5 marks, 8 marks, here 8, then 7, then 6, then here one got 10 marks, one more student got 5 marks, and the last one got 9 marks. Question number 28. Complete the pattern 1, 4, 9 and 16. Here the difference is of 2 digits. Here 5, 6, 7, 8, 4 digits. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 6 digits. So it goes on increasing as 2, 4, 6. Then here the pattern is given as a 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square is 16. Next will be 5 square is 5 5 are 25. 6 square is 36. 7 sevens are 49. Question number 29. A triangle has two angles measuring 40 degree and 75 degree. Find the third angle and name the type of triangle. Two angles measuring 40 degree and 75 degree. Sum of the triangle, as you know, is 180 degree. So the third angle is 180 minus the sum of these two. 40 plus 75 is 115. So 180 minus 115 is 65. So the three angles are 40 degree, 75 degree and 65 degree. All acute angles, means less than 90 degree. All three angles are less than 90 degree. So the type of angle is acute triangle. Type of triangle is acute triangle or acute angled triangle. Question number 30. Find HCF and LCM of 12 and 18. Here you have to find out the factors. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. And HCF of this is 6. You can find out with prime factorization also. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Here 9 2s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 1 3s are 3. And the LCM of this will be multiple of 12 and multiple of 18. Multiple of 12 are 12 1s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Multiple of 18, 18 2s are 36, 18 3s are 54. Therefore, the LCM is 36. Question number 31. A survey shows that 15 students travel by bus, 10 by bicycle and 5 by walking. Represent the data in pictograph using this symbol, and each one symbol is equal to 5 students. Each one symbol is equal to 5 students. So these are the vehicles: bus, bicycle and walking children, walking students. The number of students by bus 15. So you have to draw 3 symbols. So 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. Then for 10 you will draw 2 symbols. 5 plus 5 10. And walking children are Working students are 5. Therefore, draw only one symbol for this. Last question, question number 32. The perimeter of rectangle is 48 centimeter. If its length is 14 centimeter, find its breadth and area. Here perimeter of a rectangle is given. This is a rectangle. Perimeter is given as 48 and length is given 14. You have to find out the breadth. Using formula, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 into L plus B, where L is a length and B is a breadth. So perimeter is given. Substitute given values in the formula. So perimeter 48 is equal to 2 into 14 plus B. Then 48 is equal to 14 to the 28. 2 into B is 2B. 48 from you, when you transfer from RHS to LHS, plus sign will become minus. So 48 minus 28 is 20. This will remain the same. 20 is equal to 2B. So B is equal to, this is 2B means 2 into B. When it comes to LHS left hand side, it will divide. So 20 divided by 2 is 10 centimeter. Here we got the breadth. The breadth is 10 centimeter. Now we have to find out the area of rectangle. The formula for area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is given as 14 and breadth we have find out 10. So 14 into 10 is 140 centimeter square. For length or breadth you have to write centimeter, and for area you have to write the centimeter square. For perimeter also you have to write centimeters. If you like the content of the video, kindly share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.